Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Emily and in this video I'm going to show you how to make 3 room decor ideas. Let's get on with the video. What you'll need for this DIY is a frame, scissors, a glue gun, and if your frame doesn't have a hook, you'll need a hammer, a sawtooth hanger, and nails. You also need a picture and clear tape. You're going to want to take everything out of the frame. Now if your frame doesn't have a hook, you want to attach a sawtooth hanger onto the back of the frame with nails and a hammer. Once you have the hanger on the frame, you can take your glue gun and put glue in the corners of the frame. Then you can put the glass into the frame. After you get the glass into the frame, you can clean the glass with window cleaner and a paper towel. Now you want to cut out your picture. After you're done cutting out your picture, you can put clear tape on the corners of the pictures, and you want the sticky side of the tape facing the same way as the picture. The last thing you have to do is that you want to put the picture into the middle of the glass, and then you'll be all done. What you'll need for this DIY is a canvas, yarn, a glue gun, and scissors. You want to flip the canvas over. Then you want to glue the end of the yarn to the back of the canvas. Now you can flip the canvas over again, and you can tightly wrap the yarn in many different directions on the canvas. When you're done wrapping the yarn on the canvas, you can flip the canvas over and you can glue the end of the yarn onto the back of the canvas, and then you can cut off the extra yarn you don't need. Then you'll be done. You can put anything that you want onto this memo board, like pictures, quotes, or whatever you would like. You can put the pictures in between the yarn, or you can attach them with clothespins. You can also use this as an art piece instead of a memo board. What you'll need for this DIY is some pictures, scissors, twine, cardstock paper, clothespins, and tape. You want to get some pictures. If you printed the pictures out, you can cut a border around the pictures like how I did. I cut a border that was shaped like a Polaroid around my pictures, but you can make the border any shape that you want. Now if you want, you can cut some triangles or another shape out of any color of cardstock paper. When you're done cutting the pictures and shapes out, you can lay them out to see how you want your garland to look like. Then you can tape the shapes to the twine, and you can put the pictures onto the twine with clothespins. You can use any color of twine. I use pink and white twine. When you're done with your garland, you can tape the garland onto the wall. And that's how you make these room decor ideas. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about these DIYs, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more DIYs. I will see you in the next video. Bye!